Okay, I'm on to take 3. I'm going to get a little bit pressed for time here, but hopefully I can get this done. This is the setup for today. You're watching the What to Do video. Please just be on task. The studio habits got reset, so you want to do that. We got the test today, so click here, and it's going to have you log in. Your username is the first 2 and the first 3, so I'm WeWet, and then 648 and your lunch number. I did put that information right here. First 2, first 3, 648/lunch number. That should get you in there. Have a tab set up for the secret word. Back to that. And so you're logged in, ready to go. I'll give you about 5 minutes of time to study. I got one class where a few people show up late, and so we'll get started on the test about 5 minutes into the period. So while you're studying, you could go to video task, Deja Vu all terms test, and there's the course Quizlet reviews, there's the practice test. You could work on that. That would be fine. As soon as you're done with the test, I want you to silently work on this first 5. When you click on it, it's going to have you log in on the right. I'm already logged in, so it's going right there, but it's a cartoon. It's not an article. And so you're going to deal with the cartoon. There is a required question. Here is the required question. The required question is, looking at the cartoon, it's about President Trump, and I want you to tell me your opinion about something he's doing. What is the president up to, and in a sense, how is he doing so far? He's almost done with his first week in office. What is your impression about the president? Kind of tell me about something he's been doing and how you see that. Give me a good 2 or 3 sentence answers would be good. And then that was the required question. Everybody answers, and then you pick and choose from the other 5. You're probably going to have about 20 minutes to work on these questions, and so I'm going to expect some pretty good answers. Remember, I'd rather have 3 or 4 really good answers than 6 really short answers. So take your time, develop the responses, and then in the end you'll post your reply, and I'll get those. I'm hoping either at the very end of the period today or the start tomorrow, we'll talk a little bit about that. And so you've got stuff to do. I might be able to meet with a few people after the test is all done. I'm not sure about that, but tomorrow I figure I will be able to meet with people to discuss Financial Literacy 2 and get that one pretty much done and taken care of so we can begin our last 2 economic standards next week. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, use your time well.